Attain for the treatment of bladder and/or bowel leakage. It is most comfortable to complete your session while lying in bed. Please choose your position based upon use. On your back for vaginal insertion, on your side for vaginal or rectal insertion. For rectal use, it is most helpful to lay on your side with the dominant hand free to use for insertion. Apply a dime-sized amount to tip of device and pinch the probe to collapse the folds for easy insertion. The silver stimulation contacts and arrows should be facing hip to hip. Insert the probe into your vagina or rectum to the handle. Hold the probe in place. Power on by pressing the on-off power button and follow the screen for visual cues. While viewing the display, inflate the probe by pressing the bulb until the arrow is located within the white shaded area and the probe feels comfortably snug. Your inflation number is located in the corner of the display. Typical range is between 12 and 18. The screen will then display Start Stimulation. Press the up arrow to begin setting stimulation level. Begin at level 1 and increase stimulation slowly, pausing a few seconds at each level until you feel a comfortable full muscle contraction. Your pelvic muscles will contract around the probe and feel as if they're pulling upward and inward. At any time the sensation feels too strong, you may use the down arrow to decrease stimulation level. Once you have set the appropriate stimulation level, relax while Attain stimulates your pelvic floor muscles for 7 minutes. Your display will count down the minutes. At the end of the stimulation session, you will begin your biofeedback session. Press the play button and follow the visual cues. Relax your pelvic floor muscles. Now slowly contract your pelvic floor muscles, raise and maintain the lights. Now relax. At the end of your biofeedback session, the display reads Session Complete, and the device automatically powers off. Deflate the probe by pressing the black air release valve. Remove the probe and clean as directed in your manual. Use Attain 1 session per day, 6 times per week, until your symptoms resolve. Then you may move to a maintenance program of 1 or 2 times per week to maintain results. Attain by InControl Medical.